Hi, I'm Brandon with Tri-County. I'm here today to explain to you how our customer webpage and customer portal work. Now that you've already decided to do business with us, we have a signed proposal. You're going to go ahead and get an email. On this email, you're going to see where it says customer webpage. Just go ahead and click there. Once that comes up, you're going to see some photos of your house. You're going to see all of our information here, our contact information, our social media. If you'd like to leave a review, go ahead and click there. Right here is the project that we're working on. Now, if you've got multiple projects with us, you can go ahead and click on there. This one's only siding, but if you were doing a roof with us, you'd see roof, possibly gutters, decking, who knows, whatever you're doing with us will be listed there, okay? If we go up here, as we scroll down, like I said, you have a photo. We've got your original photo. We have our 3D layout of what your ideas were, what you'd like to see happen to your home. The other great part about this portal is that the photo section. We're going to continually update photos showing you the progress of your project, and you can view them at any time. On this side, you're going to see the agreed upon price of the job. You're going to go ahead and see the payment, the down payment we received, and the total amount owed. Any payments you make, you'll see this remaining balance drop, okay? Over here, kind of what's happening. Any messages will be listed there, upcoming tasks, emails sent between us. I've got important documents. Like I said, when we do a project with you, we're going to list and have all of your important documents in this area. Down here, we've got any pending forms, proposal, estimates, anything that you have not yet signed for will be in the pending area. If you go ahead and click that accepted button, you're going to see the proposals you've accepted. Over here, we have our calendar. It might be blank for a while, but as soon as Chad, our purchaser, sets up your schedule, you're going to see a blue job scheduled area showing that you're on our schedule for the work to be completed. During the project, if you have any testimonials, you want to send us a personal message, go ahead and click that testimonial button. If you've got any questions on your project and you want to send us a message, go ahead and click the Contact Us. It's real easy. You just click there. You can type in the subject that you want and the description of your question. You go ahead and hit the send button, and I'll get an email, or Rod will get an email, and we'll get right back to you with your answers. When it comes to important documents, this is going to be a nice place for you. You're just going to click on here. Here would be the warranty information on your project. Anything else, building permits, any maybe product literature, anything that we feel that's important, and we can always add something. If you call us and say, can I have a copy of the original literature, we can scan that in and put this in this section for you. So that's it on the customer portal. I hope it's helpful, and thank you for doing business with us.